Welcome back to another video. So let's take a look at how we can import 3D generative AI models within CATIA. This will be a CAD solution. So this will be the case study, the Phantom chair, and the model was generated using Rodin. And as you can see over here, this was generated using quads, and the model will look like this. I just want to showcase how this will work within CATIA, and this will be loaded as an editable element. So I have this downloaded as an OBJ file. For the mesh, I generated this using Rodin and I set the face count to be 1000 in this case. Now, within CATIA, if I will go to Start Shape, Imagine a Shape, this will be the workbench and I have the possibility to import this as a subdivision. So this will be the model, as you can see. And the model will look like this within CATIA. So this is the interesting part. We saw how it looked on the Rodin platform, and this is how it will look within CATIA. As you can see over here, this will not be as, let's say, polygonal. And the main advantage is that this will be editable. That means I can select, for example, this set of elements over here. As you can see, the following number of edges. And as you can see, I can either scale them. This will be using the affinity tool. But most importantly, I can have those translated. We can also add rotation and other elements over here, as you can see. So the workbench will allow a lot of, let's say, customize of this model, and this is the main advantage. So we can also have this to be symmetric, and this will be the output. As you can see, we have the possibility to scale that using affinity, to have it translated, and to have that rotated. We can also enable symmetry, and that will allow us to work with this a little bit better. So this is why CATIA is quite strong. And the main advantage is that now we can use generative AI in order to work with this kind of meshes. So this is something that only few generative AI tools will enable. And Rodin is one of those, since this will enable quad models. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I'm going to position a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.